Hi, good morning everyone. So I'm live from the Agasai police station. With me you can see in the frame Tony Fernandez, who was the ZP candidate from San Andre constituency. And we came to the police station to find out information about the body of that 2-year-old girl that was found in Shiridao on the 25th of September. That was about 9 days ago now. So Mr. Tony Fernandez, can you quickly share what has happened?
आता तुम्ही जाणा आसतले ऑन 25th ऑफ लास्ट मंथ एक बॉडी ल्हान भुरग्याची बॉडी ती श्रीधाम बिचार पडलेली आसली आनी ते ल्हान भुरगें एक सुमार 2.5 ते 3 वर्सांचें आसलें. हाची पार्ट्स सगळे डिवायड जाल्ले आसले. तेजे तोंड, तेजे पांय, तेजे हात सगल्याक शिंपडलेलो आसलो. खरेंच ही दुखाची खबर. हें गोंय आमचें भांगाराचें गोंय आसा, शांतिकायेचें गोंय. असल्यो गोश्ट्यो ह्या गोंयांत केन्नाच फुडें आदीं घडनासल्यो. पूण आतां हें सगलें पत्त्यान जालां. हांव मागतां चीफ मिनिस्टर आमचो प्रमोद सावंत, हू इज होल्डिंग द पोर्टफोलियो ऑफ होम मिनिस्टर, ताणें हाचेर लक्ष घालचें. असल्यो ह्यो गोश्ट्यो जायना जावपाक, हे अत्याचार जायना जावपाक ल्हान भुरग्यांचेर ताणें आपलें लक्ष घालून आनी ह्यो सगल्यो ह्यो ज्यो दृश्ट्यो पिडापीड येता ती आख्खीच ती बंद करची अशी म्हजी मागणी.
Thank you so much. So I have had the opportunity to speak to the investigation officer whose name is Sagun Sawant. He's actually on leave because he has been tested positive for COVID, and somebody else right now is investigating the case in his place. So the details that have come forward, first of all, the police is saying that the age of this girl is around 1 to 2 months, which is highly unlikely. What we see from the report, from the pictures and videos that are circulating on social media. Secondly, they have still not established the identity of this girl. Today is the 9th day since her body was found, so they still don't know who it is. They're saying that they have gone around and investigated, they've patrolled and to find out if there was any missing person in the neighborhood. So again, they've not been able to establish the identity of the victim. What is a major discrepancy which I have seen in their argument is that they're saying that the rest of the body which was missing has been eaten up by animals. I find that would be very highly unlikely. He's saying that the post-mortem report has been done, but there's no body to investigate. So I really don't know what's happening over here. It all seems very it's not consistent. The information is not consistent. Lastly, I would also like to put this point out there, which I've also given as a bite to the media today, that for the last 1 year, the daily crime report that has to go out to the media from the police department side has not been going out, and that is the very reason that the media was not aware of this case for 8 long days. And I have asked this information from the IO as well, the investigating officer, that why was this information hidden from the media. He said, see, we write the reports, we give it to the police department, they are supposed to give it to the media. So now the information is tying up, because I got confirmed information from the media that they have stopped receiving this report from the police a year ago. So what does this tell you about the situation of law and order in this state? We say that we are very advanced in the media. What does this tell you about their intentions? They don't want you to know the extent of the crime that is going on in Goa, so you can understand. And also obviously they want to protect their brethren, the rapists and criminals and all the people who do heinous crimes. They want to protect these people. Where is the ketamine case? And let me not go far. There was another body of a child found in a plastic bag in Vasco. That case did not even see the light of day. Even in that case, they have not identified who the child was, and the same is happening even in this case. And so the people finally have to realize, we were enraging about the cases in UP, and yes, they deserve our rage. they deserve our anger. But in your own backyard, see what is happening. In UP and Goa, it's a BJP government. Now you can think about this, and I will get back to you when I have more information. Thank you so much. Tony sir.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
Yeah.